Solve the linear equation fast and easy. To solve the linear equation fast and easy, I have taken a linear equation here. The equation is 8x minus 16 equals 4x. We have to identify what is variable. Here x is the variable, so we have to find out the value of x. Then we will be able to solve this linear equation. To solve this linear equation, I am taking 4x from right hand side to left hand side. So 8x, here 4x is positive, so when it will come to the left hand side, it will be negative. So 8x minus 4x equals, now I will take minus 16 from left hand side to right hand side, so then it will be positive 16, and then implies 8x minus 4x equals, we will get 4x equals 16, and then x equals 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So x equals 4. This is the solution. So x equals 4 solved. Thanks all of you.